Did you know that if you're in Canada and you want to learn to talk Jamaican, you have to go to York University? And in the United States, it's Harvard University that's teaching the Jamaican patois. But you don't have to go to all that problem to learn my beautiful language. Just subscribe to this channel and follow me regularly as I talk to you in patois and then give you an idea in English what I just said. You will be helped if you get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. It's written by me, Joan Williams. I'm trying to make these lessons as interesting as possible for you because I know that you would really love to chat like me. Silver Sands Beach, one nice beach. Let me tell you a little bit about Trelawney. Right now, me there at Duncans. Duncans have some nice beach around the place, you see, but enough people don't know about them places. Anyway, Duncans are one little village. And you have everything you want. You have rum bar, you have supermarket, you have shop, any little thing you want. But if you want more things, you know, you can drive, go to Falmouth, it's just down the road, 10 minutes from here. Falmouth is one interesting place, you know, because I did one of the first places built up long before Kingston, so it has some good history. You have to go buy my book, Tour Jamaica, to learn about the history of where parish them at Jamaica. Anyway, Trelawney, nice man. Me say you had the cockpit country. Down there you have all the only rainforest we have at Jamaica, but are the best place to learn about with flora and with fauna and with bud and all them thing and all the insect them and all the flowers them. And you have some nice cave and beach and waterfall and river. You have to walk around them and to really enjoy it. And guess who come from nearby? No, Mr. Usain Bolt are the fastest man from the planet and are right round the barn, you know. This is a wind down at Silver Sands. I want nice places here. I want 4-bedroom cottage with 4 bathrooms. You will see it on the web page for Silver Sands, my Silver Sands. Also for wind down. Me say it build nice through you can step straight from your bedroom in the pool. But we not go pool not through only 3-minute walk to the beach. And 2 nice good lady work here all the time, you know. And then can cook, stamp and go and stew peas and all them nice things we me love. Whoa, them good. I tell you like a gold. Me love them food. Wind down nice man. This is the back of wind down. Me say I want a really nice place, you know, down in the Duncans here, Trelawney. One nice place. This is Silver Sands Beach in Trelawney. Trelawney has some very beautiful beaches, which not many people know about, as it's off the highway, so you really have to know where you're going. This one is near the little village of Duncans in Trelawney. Duncans has everything you want, but it's just around the corner from Falmouth, the capital. If you want to learn all about these places and Jamaican parishes and beaches, you need to get my book, Tour Jamaica. It's available on Amazon.com. But Trelawney is unique as it has the cockpit country, which is Jamaica's only rainforest. There you will find the source of many of our rivers, lots of caves to explore, waterfalls, great flora and fauna. And guess what? You must have heard of Jamaica, of the world's most famous runner, the Honorable Usain Bolt. He was actually born very close to the cockpit country. You should at least try hiking down there. At this beach here, at Silver Sands, you see there's a fisherman out there. He's going out to the reef. Out there, you can catch your lunch and your dinner. A wind down me day. You know what a wind down mean? It means I must just lay down on the beach with a rum and coconut water and life will be great. Wind down is one of the nicest cottages at Silver Sands. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and from the design is beautiful. You can step straight from the bedroom into the swimming pool. But most times we don't use the swimming pool because the beach is only a 3-minute walk away. And it comes fully staffed with 2 young ladies who are among the greatest cooks in Jamaica. This is the back of Wine Down. It is really a very, very nice cottage. 3 minutes walk from the beach. Fabulous place.
Oh, fine. Yeah, listen. Almost heaven, West Jamaica. True is the mountain shining down the river. All my friends there, holding on those reeds.